Hi class, my name is Zara Al-Ghazali. Zara like the store if you ever want to pronounce it. I know a lot of people mispronounce it, that's okay. I am from the state of Michigan. This is my first semester taking a class at Doane University, I want to say. If I am mispronouncing it, please do correct me. I'm taking biochem and genetics, and they are prerequisites for physician assistant. That's the career I've chosen as my path in the future, hopefully. I did apply last year and I got rejected, unfortunately. However, I'm not giving my hopes up. I am applying again, and taking these two courses are definitely going to broaden my options as far as the programs go. I have not taken an 8-week class in a year, so this is coming. It's not new to me, but it's definitely coming back. I earned a bachelor's degree in health studies and minored in healthcare management. I work as a surgical technologist, surgical first assistant at a level 1 trauma hospital. I absolutely love my job. I can't even tell you. I have stories upon stories to tell you. I wrote down a couple things that did want to mention about myself. I love animals as long as I don't own them. I love babies as long as I don't own them. Uh, so I'm not married. I don't have any kids. I'm trying to make sure that I earn my degree before I actually get into that love lane and try to find somebody. Um, I did mention that I want to become a physician assistant. Hobbies. I like to draw as my hobby. I like to read. Also, the current book that I'm reading is called Presence by Amy Cuddy. I highly, highly recommend it. It's like an intricate kind of book. It's very awesome as far as like how to portray yourself to people. I know I'm not the greatest right now, but it's really good. Um, I am a part of an organization called Who's Hussein, and it is a nonprofit social justice movement humanitarian organization, which basically means I am for the people. uh, the biggest project that we're doing this year is providing 200 to 300 backpacks to low-income students of Detroit, which is just unbelievable. The amount of backlash or negative comments Detroit has is it's so great right now. But I can definitely tell you that my neighboring city, is definitely coming out of the woods. Um, what do I want to achieve? I want to achieve good grades, obviously, from these two courses, biochem and genetics that I'm taking. But I also definitely want to like really learn them, not just to get by the class and earn an A and everything. I really want to learn this subjects because I feel like it'll really help me in the PA program if I do get accepted, and even in the PA program that has a physician assistant profession. I think that's about it about me. It's my 3 minutes. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm very open. I'm an open book. I will answer anything that you possibly might have. Um, Best of luck to all my classmates, and thank you again to my teachers. Bye.